is demo and clean out day one. And this property, you guys have already seen the property before. However, hold on. Hi, Ricardo. What's up? So you guys have seen this property. I'm going to turn it back around so you can see the outside, so you know which one I'm talking about. Alright, that's the outside. Alright, so what we just spent the last hour and a half doing is cleaning out all the debris. It was a mess in here. This property had some fire damage. It was just all kinds of stuff in here, all over. It was food everywhere in the cabinets, so we did a clean out. This is the bathroom. And this is a room where one of the fires was. We cleaned all the debris up out of here. All right, that was bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2. I think this is the master. Not really too bad in here. A little bit in the closet. And this is the last bedroom. See a little bit of damage on that wall. So, it's pretty much all we did was clean it out. We've only been in here for about an hour and a half. And what we're gonna do next is clean the walls down, get the soot off the walls, do some kills, and then paint the walls. We have carpet coming in here soon. The next week or so, we have new windows coming in. You can see this one is busted. So we have new windows coming in here, and also in the living room and this back room right here. So that's pretty much it. That's all we're doing right now. Who's on? I know Ricardo's on. Who else is on? Y'all say what's up in the comments. I can't see you. Yeah. I can't see if you're on, so say what's up. Any of you guys interested? Ricardo, you interested in real estate? What do you do? We didn't really do anything in the basement, but hey, can I get in? I'll take you guys down there. So this is the basement. We're gonna have to tackle this next. But it's not too bad. I mean, let's get this debris out of here. It'll look a whole lot better, but this basement is huge. Here's a little section back here. And this is just one side of it. There's a whole section back here. A little storage area, and then a whole nother side over here, which I thought was cool. Look at how big this space is. Let me go back here and then turn it around. It's huge. And then there's a room in the back too. So this house, once it's done, I should bring in about $750 a month off of this house. doing owner financing. And I didn't pay anything for the house, guys. I get free houses. I get houses donated and then sell them off on owner financing. All right, going back up. All right. So everyone walked around the whole place. Huh? And I said we went around the whole place, upstairs and that. You want to say anything? All right, guys, I'm out. Thanks for tuning in. I'll let you guys see the second half of the rehab once we get the walls painted, just so you guys can see an update. All right, peace.